Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be wrapping this Skoda Kamiq in Voilet Byzantin Silver by Hexis. Let's move the car inside and begin the wrapping and process. We will start off by taking parts and trimmings off the car to give the wrap better edges to stick to. After we have measured and cut the wrap, we can then apply it to the car. If you are looking to get your car wrapped or any parts of your car wrapped, then get in touch with us or check the link in the description. Once the roof has been wrapped and the bumper reattached, the car will then be complete. So here is the finished car. This wrap really suits the look of the car and looks almost like a paint job from factory. Let us know what you think of the wrap and thank you for watching, and until the next video, goodbye.